On my way out of Nicosia, I stopped by a small village called Akaki for a quick pick-me-up. I'm on my way to meet an interesting lady who's going to show me how to make a Cypriot drink called Soumada, made with almonds. Let's go find out how to make it. Inside the kitchen, Mrs. Argiri Singhi has quite the operation. We get straight to work on our almondy concoction. Right now we're taking almonds that have been sitting in hot boiled water, taking them out of the skin. So we're going to continue softening them. I'm not that great at it yet. And putting them into the other bowl that we have to continue softening the almond. She's a lot faster than I am. I'm used to doing pumpkin seeds but never almonds. I've never done this one before. By the way, we're placing them in lemon water. Nuances of the process I just found out, we're also putting apricot seeds into the mixture of water and lemon as well. So now we're bringing it over to the sink, we're washing the almonds and straining it. Peeling done, we get to blending. Batch by batch, the blended almonds are collected in a bigger pot. Sweet. It smells so good. It smells like almonds. Next, we strain them.
With one hand, then this with the other hand. And we put it like this. Oh, one hand. Okay.
There's still so much. So we want to retain the essence of the almond, but we want to keep the grit out. So we've been filtering over and over again to do that. It's amazing how much it keeps in there. As you can see, nothing is wasted. They use this for baking, cookies, any pastries, cakes. Now that it's all separated, we move the pot to the stove. This is the sweet part. 5 kilos of sugar is added to the almond milk. Here we go. 650 grams of almonds, 5 kilos of sugar, and 5 kilos of water. Okay, I think that was the last one. I feel like I'm back home. My grandma would be so proud. 30 minutes later, we've got a distilled sugary almondy concoction that is ready to go. The concentrate poured, we add in the desired amount of water. And there we have it, Soumada. Now the question is, how does it taste? Amazing. It's like sweet tea meets soju, but without alcohol. So good. You can really taste the essence of the almond. It's like a distilled almond flavor, but really also fruity. You can taste the apricot too. For me, it's sweeter the better, but if you're not into sweets, you can dilute it and make it a lot more tame. Thank you for showing me.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna gulp it now. A cool and refreshing experience to check out a traditional Cypriot drink that not even a lot of locals know how to brew. But I do, and now so do you.